Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm gonna give you the complete overview of Falexwa. You can call it Falexwa or FalexW. It's completely your choice. I'm gonna give you the complete overview of this. This script, basically, this script is originated from Waziper. Okay. But this is no longer Waziper. I have worked so much on this, and I've done a lot of work on this. Almost 3 to 4 months have been invested into this script, so I'm going to show you the complete, overview on how this works. Before getting started, I just don't want to waste your time, okay? Because you would be expecting I'm going to give you this for free. I'm not giving you this for free, okay? There are two versions of this script available, okay? You should watch this video because you will buy this script after watching this video. I know the pricing is going to be higher, but the value that is be in this going to be in this, specific script is more than any script that is available on the internet. I'm going to give you the 100% guarantee of this. I've been into business for last 6 years, almost 5 to 6 years, and almost every of my business is successful. Okay, I've been into now WhatsApp marketing services, and once I'm in the business, I give a lot of time. And originally, I've been working on WhatsApp marketing services since almost September 2025. Okay, now this is almost August is near. It's I think so June. I think it's July 19 now. So you can understand how much effort has been added into this niche by me, and I've been giving this time almost 44 hours a day since September. Okay, because learning specific languages is also important. So yeah, let's get started. Now, one thing I would like to, and the reason why I chose Waziper as my backend core because this script was working on the internet when there was every script basically was dead. Okay, so we're gonna use this. You can contact me. I'll provide you this demo of the script, but the server will not be active on this because I gave a demo to somebody, so they start sending campaigns, and after some time, you know, there is a reason why I cannot give you the live access of the server and WhatsApp working API, but you can have the basically demo the of the front end panel. So let's get started. Now, we're gonna give you the complete overview of front end. I'm going to log out. There is no landing page here. Once you hit this domain name, it will force you to log in here. If you wish, you can directly, um, add custom front end to the script. If you want, we can add custom front end to the script. Okay, I forgot one thing about the pricing that I was going to talk about earlier. And there are two versions of the script available. The one version is single use, basically where only one person can use it. Either it's going to be you or either it's going to be a well, no, basically only one person will be able to use this script. The second part is this script, which is the SaaS version where you can basically sell plans, subscriptions, and everything. You have to watch this video if you're really willing to start a WhatsApp marketing business because there are so many features that have been added to this script. There are more than enough. Okay, so that is the point. The second SaaS version will cost you $300 to maybe $500 depending upon the features that you are going to require here. Okay, the only version that is going to cost you $150 is you can only have your own main system there. If you want, you can extend that version and add SaaS system into it. It's going to take a lot of time for you to development. But if you do not want to add custom clients and anything, that single version is more than enough for your personal use or only using in your company. Because when I purchased Waziper official, I was using the only simple regular version. It was not SaaS version. Okay. Now, we're going to go on to the pricing page. Okay, this is how the pricing page is going to look like. I told you you can build the front end if you wish to, but I've never worked on it. It is your choice if you're willing to work on the front end. Now, if you just take a look at here, okay, these are the customizable messages. They directly fetch from the backend. Okay, you can add here one time monthly and yearly billing. Now, when you click on the sign up button, it will ask us to sign up. Suppose, and you can also verify the WhatsApp number here. You can user have to verify the WhatsApp number, and if they have already a WhatsApp number in the database, they will not be able to sign up by default. Okay, they will have to provide another new number, or either they will never spam again, like basically to control trial issues. Okay, so yeah. Now let's suppose you want to directly continue with login. I'm gonna just log in here to show you the demo. Okay, I'm going to pricing page back. Now, when we click on the sign up page, this is how the sign up page is going to look like. We have also added payment gateway fee. Let's suppose you can name this from payment gateway fee to taxes. Like India has 18% tax on goods and services. So you can add that. Also, we have added coupon code system that was not in Waziper. Okay, this was not also in Waziper. This UI was not in Waziper. This UI is inspired by two websites. Okay, I cannot share those two websites. Yeah. So then you can choose here the pricing and everything. Then you can choose here debit card. This script also support Razorpay and other, local payment gateway. If you want, we can develop you custom payment gateway module for this. It will cost you like 20-30 bucks, not too much. Okay. We also have added manual payment gateway like bank transfer, crypto transfer. You can rename it as your way. You can change these icons as well. All right. You can update this from the code base. You can update this from the admin panel. It's super easy to update everything. Okay. Now suppose you want to proceed to payment. I'm going to proceed to payment. It's going to just take a few seconds. Now your invoice is basically created. Here if you just take a look. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is going to the dashboard. I'm going to show you the admin dashboard. Let me show you account section. Here you just take a look. Basically user can upload an image of their profile. If they want to upload some questions, they can change the time zone so they can manage campaign. Then change password. Okay, then pass plan, and then billing details. Everything as I told you, they can pay the invoice. And let me show you one more thing. Now when you go to the user section here, alright, these are the parts. Those are extended. Go to the order, then go here and mark it as pay and give any ID 1 2 3. Oh, sorry. Select payment gateway menu, confirm. And when I reload this, they can also download the invoice here. Let me show you here. They can download the invoice or receipt here. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what the next feature is from the menu. From then this is basically the dashboard where you can see the detail. API call responder, call rejector is also added into the script, and also it sends a message like the call was rejected because of following reason. Then to the WhatsApp section here, you can add here WhatsApp. Here we can go here to this page. This is basically the authentication page where you can connect using the QR code, or you can add here the WhatsApp number here and then submit, and using the authentication code on your mobile phone you can just connect it. Then on the reports page you'll find the reports of the whole devices. Then go to the send message page, and this page you'll be able to select a WhatsApp number and send message to some custom number here. And on the bulk campaigns page, you can basically create a web campaign where you can add here multiple time interval. If you take a look at this, you can also customize, schedule this. Add a campaign gap, like one message will be sent at 1 second and the other will send at 84. This will be random gap, not like something anything. Okay. Then there is enable random enable. Sorry, basically this is enable emoji randomizer. Basically what this does, it automatically add few emojis into a message, which basically will help you not getting banned. Basically, okay, this will help you. Okay, in case if you are highly involved into bulk campaign and marketing, this is going to be very important. Then you can add WhatsApp warmer mode where you can find the details and everything. Like basically this will schedule everything your way. But you don't need this. This is going to be more than enough, and you don't need this as well. Okay, if you are sending 100 to 200 message every day, there will be no problem. Keep in mind one thing, that if you're spamming to somebody who is not willing into accepting your message and they are now blocking and reporting you, that can get you in trouble. Okay. Then we have call responder, as I told you. Now I cannot show you call responder demo because we have to add an account which I have not. Then auto responder message you. Auto responder, you can choose a device here. So you can send a auto responder whenever somebody contacts you, it will automatically send this message to that user. Then message history. This thing took me almost 3 weeks, I think 2 to 3 weeks to build this part. Then we have here chatbot. Basically, chatbot is something which runs on behalf of keyword. Okay. I don't know why there's no plus button here. Okay. So basically, it was supposed. Okay. So device is not selected actually. When device is selected, it will show up an box here to choose and create basically chatbot. What the chatbot will do? Okay, it will trigger on specific keyword that you can set. That's for somebody contact you and you have an automated keyword like I want to understand the pricing of this t-shirt. Okay, let's suppose the t-shirt name is t-shirt 1, and once the user type t-shirt 1 in the chat and send that message, it will automatically send and trigger that message. You can also add gap into this, like 2 seconds, after 2 seconds, 3 seconds, it will be sent like that. Then template. Do we have message template, simple message template? We have image templates, we have video template where you can connect Here you can only send text. Here you can send text with image. Here you can send text with video. Here you can send button messages. Here you can send poll messages, and here you can send interactive button. What are interactive button? Let me show you the demo. Okay, I'm going to go to the plus section here. Take a look at this. You can add here maximum three, basically buttons here. You can add here quick reply, link, call, copy. You can also do this. You can quick reply here. Okay, then copy you can actually. Okay, then you can add here link to the website, and then you can link to the something else, or you can add the call number here, like everything. Okay, it will automatically open them to the call. It will automatically open them to your website, or it will automatically open, copy a coupon code or something like that. Okay, button messages are same, but you can only add one button in button template. Okay, then you can basically grab here the contacts, which you can just plus create, add here any number. It is basically going to be your contact shield, basically main contact book, where you can add contact. I would highly recommend there is a limit to set. You can allow user to maximum set. You can limit user to maximum set 100 number of WhatsApp numbers in one book. Okay, so this will be helpful for them for not getting banned. Okay, this will be very important for this. Okay, then you can also add your export participants. This feature works sometime and doesn't work because this is highly based on the Baileys, and Baileys sometimes has problem. Also, I want to let you know, sometime button or list template can break like for few days. Okay, but as soon as there is any Baileys update, we update it and this is fixed. Okay, most likely it's not broken. It has been almost 6 7 months. The list and template messages were working. Then Meta released an update, and I think so in 3 to 4 days it was fixed. And then there was another day it was broken, but then it was fixed within like few minutes. Like I after automatically after few minutes it was fixed. Okay, so like that. Okay, then after you can find here the API documentation, where you can just contact, find all the API detail to offer your customer that they can use to basically build their custom, connect with their own custom panel. Now this is the admin panel. As I told you, we have this campaign section. Basically what it does, you can just click on the plus add campaign button. Okay, and here what it does, it will allow you to create a campaign which you can send to your clients on the email. What it does, basically, let's suppose you have been suppose you have launched some custom integration, or you have added some custom feature, and now you want to update your clients to get the email, like you have in crazy price and you want to send them the email, or you have added text or something like that. You can just send the email to your customers and this will be sent. Also, you can go to the setting and add here rate limiting to protect your server IPs on the email server IPs, so this will helpful. Okay, you can find all the details. Also, you can like there is a very good view of the campaigns where you can actually check how many messages are delivered. You can also resend each of them. Like suppose you want to resend that message multiple times to a user because of some reason, you can do that. Then here is the account manager. What it does, you can basically manage your multiple WhatsApp account and everything. Then file manager, you can upload your files and everything, and manage them. Okay, there is also a picture editor inside this file manager you can use. Then tools, caption and group manager, you are always aware of it. A prompt templates, they are broken. Okay, but you can work. Basically, they are not broken. They require ChatGPT official API, so you have to buy that. That will cost you. Okay, at least GPT for something like that is important. Okay, so if you do not have GPT-4, which will cost you a lot, so you don't need to enable this. We do not enable this on our own virtual marketing company. Then you can enable manual payment and manage all the manual payment submissions. If you take a look at this, basically here you can find all the manual payment. Like if I would have, when we started the video, I showed you how place an order. Okay, so in that case, I could have chose, I have to upload a transaction picture and everything details, transaction ID. So once I do that, I'll be able to view that manual payment here. Also, I can manage here the settings where I can provide a detail of a manual like record details or anything. Then membership here, then go to the plan. Here, when basically I'll show you here. So this is a free trial. You cannot delete this. What you can do is you can just set it to 0. So this way the user will never be able to basically whenever they register, their account will be locked, and this will force the user to purchase a paid plan. Okay. If you just go to the permission section here, you can manage everything here. Templates you can disable. Let's suppose you want to disable here WhatsApp. I'm gonna just disable it here, and let me show you. I think my account is on which plan. Let me show you. See. You can find here which plan you are on, or user can find this. Okay, like you can go to this way directly, but I'll show you here plan. I'm actually on the starter plan. What I'm gonna do here, I think I don't remember her. Actually, everywhere on the free plan. So if the user is not on free plan, so that way I think also sorry, I was going to show you the permission WhatsApp. Now let's further disable this and close it. I'm admin by the way. I'm not sure about this feature. Yeah, I knew it. If I was not the admin, I was a user. This feature will disable here. Okay. Should have been disabled. Then go to WhatsApp and then enable it. Now the next thing we have user management panel. User management. When you go to user management, you can manage everything from the plan section, like maximum message limit per month, maximum everything that can be managed, like contact, how many contact book can be added, how many contacts can be added in each book, and everything. Here you can manage the user ID. This is was I told you there were a lot of features that have been added manually by me. So this was one of that. Then here the user role system, which you can update here, user report section where you can find the all details of your users. Then the daily reports. These are the custom version. I told you already about this. Okay, all the things. Then we have here the revenue model system. Okay. Then we have here how much revenue is coming. You can understand it by stopping the video. Then order system. I told you about this. Okay. You can delete. You can also send a notification. This will use system OTP setting. I told you about that. Okay, tell you about that. Okay. You can send a WhatsApp reminder as well. Okay, then we have your sport ticketing system as well. Now this feature is not included. Okay, let me tell you what is included in the basic feature. In the basic feature, you will only have this WhatsApp section access, file manager access, tools access, and then you will have access that is also the settings. Okay. When you go with this, SaaS version, it will include everything that you are looking into this video. You can open ticket. You can just filter here all the tickets. Okay, then you can close a ticket in bulk or set to progress in bulk or something like that. Okay. Then we have here, you can, let me show you new ticket open page. And there are a lot of WhatsApp plus email messages that you can manage as well here. Okay, then we have here integration page. Basically, you can connect here multiple integrations. Let me show you like WHMCS or WooCommerce or any. These are not included here to build them on your own. If you want, we already have this WHMCS, WooCommerce, Shopify, Magento, PrestaShop, OpenCart, Anyten, and a lot of integration. Or if you want to build some custom CRM, custom integration that we can do for you, like you want to sell make.com API or you want to sell HubSpot API, so you can contact us. We can build you that. Okay, then we have admin API here in the admin API. This is the admin API which you can use to just basically fetch all the user details. Like you understand what is it, what this is. Okay, then let me show you the overview of settings here. This is the license section. I'm not going to show you. Then the general settings here. You can customize everything of your website. You can take a look at here. This is the extended feature I've told you about. You can manage here all the let me reload this page because once you reload this, the talks editor will be available here. So not you will be able to find the talks editor. You can disable this particular email invoice email. When the invoice is created, this email will be sent. Okay, then when the invoice is created, everything. Okay. Also, there is mentioned here that admin user ticket open everything. You can find out here how many messages are this. Let's look at this. Every single thing has a WhatsApp plus email notification. Then we have WhatsApp tab. WhatsApp tab, you can understand that how many notifications these are also. Then we have here file manager setting where you can connect external file managers like OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, and everything like that. Okay. You like you can see here. Then we have here the payment configuration that I've already told you about. So these are the all details. Manual payment gateway, PayPal. Then we have here Stripe. Then we have here debit card. This is the custom payment gateway by our company, Coin Payments. Coinbase, I think so there was Razorpay something here. Razorpay is in the script, but if you cannot find us, you can contact us. We will build it for you. Okay. Then we have here coupon code system. I told you about this. Then we have your email configuration page. You can customize the email messages. These emails are separated from these emails. Okay. Then we have login and authentication page. Told you about the invoicing page. The basically the yeah, here is it. In Razorpay, here I told you. Okay. Now you see this token here. This same token will be used. The same details WhatsApp system notification. This same will be used here in extended notification WhatsApp tab. They will use the same. And for email, API, they will use the email of the default system. And for sending manual notification, like for invoices marked as paid and something like that, that will be also using this same system and this same, default system, email settings. Then we have here coming soon page where you can basically enable a page like your maintenance page or something like that. All right. What we have next here, social settings. Yeah, that is all. Like I'm not gonna show you this part. Nothing else. Once you purchase this, we will set up this everything for you. So this is how the script works. I'm not sure a lot of people will say that this thing is going to cost a lot, but like I don't think so that if you are having like 30 to 40 clients a year, that is a good number to just start in the first year because I told you since we have started to September, in the last September we released the first version of our WhatsApp API plan, and since to that this date, you don't know how much work have been done on this, and we don't have much users neither on our WhatsApp panel, neither on this. But now we are almost done with the WhatsApp company of ours, and that is going as well. We are working on the SEO and marketing again because almost all the work is done. Only WooCommerce module is left, and then we are done. We are going to push into it. And the second part is this one where you can basically find out like this is how WhatsApp marketing that is going to grow. Now I'm pretty sure about this. We are also going to list this on Code Canyon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, contact me. The contact details are in the comment section description.